Hey guys, Spencer here, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Kenwood turntable. This one's a vintage model, KD-5066. It's pretty easy to use. You got your speed controls here. You can do 33s and 45s. It's also got the pitch control, which will allow you to adjust the pitch of the turntable speed. And then right here, we do have our light. And then right over here, we've got our leveling bubble to make sure it's right where it needs to be. If it's not, you could put something under it to get it level. And then you've got repeat. If you push that, it'll keep on playing non-stop until you come back and push that. It'll pop up and it will go back. And this turntable, you can adjust the record size right here, so you can put it to the right size, or you can just put it on manual if you're going to use manual operation. And then you've got the anti-skate, which when you have a new needle on, you just set it to 0, but as it wears out, you'll probably want to turn that up. You got your queuing lever here. So what that does is it lets you raise and lower the needle and use it in manual operation. And then we also have our 45 adapter, which we'll put that on to play a 45. So when you want to play a 45, you'll take off the other record and you'll put your 45 adapter right there. And then you put your record on. And then you set the size over here. You set that to 17. And then you push play and it'll automatically go all the way over. When setting it up, you do need to have a phono connection along with a ground. So you'll definitely have to make sure those are all connected properly. And then you'll also have to make sure that you have it set to phono for the input. That's everything that you need to know for operating your Kenwood turntable. If you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, please do so down below in our comment section or give us a call.